Hi there. I will now demonstrate you what is wrong and where goes wrong when I use this cable 90-degree clockwise turn. This I bought from eBay, and this is I bought in local store. Okay, for first demonstration I will use this because it's not working anymore. Okay, I will just plug everything together to see if picture will appear on 7-inch monitor. Okay, I will turn on camera. Okay. And now I will turn video transmitter. Here it is. Picture is, I don't know, green or something with the yellow stripes. I don't know how to describe. And now I will switch it with this one when I bought in our local store. But I can use it because of the 90-degree angle, and I'll just plug in. Okay, now here's the picture. What I saw with the camera, everything is in place, everything working, but now I will switch it again. Just cable. Okay, and now I will use it this one. Okay, really strange.